Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Finally, today is the last day and a big build up to Moissanite, the last of the Jewel series. I know we've been telling stories, we've been dancing, and we've been finding something in ourselves that we didn't know we could do. So today, let's get ready for Moissanite. Before we start our workout, there is one more surprise. We've got one fantastic giveaway thanks to Moissanite. There is one thing that you need to do. Go on Instagram, follow Lazy Dance Tips and Moissanite and use the hashtag DanceWithJules. The only thing that you need to do is tell me in a comment wherever you see bling why you value yourself. Remember, hashtag DanceWithJules for you to win one of these beautiful Moissanite pieces. If you're ready for this, let's dance! Good. Around. Other way. Very good, again. Faster. Other one. Up, down, up, lift, and up, down. Lift, up, down, up, lift, up, lift, back. Ready? Again. Other way. With a jump. And again. Breathe. And breathe. Lift. Breathe. Lift. Breathe. Curtsy. Down. Change. Up. Change. Change. Come on, give me that little hop. Ooh. 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 Back to center. Breathe. Lift. Shoulders up. Shoulders up. Shoulders up. Shoulders up. Breathe. 2, 3, 4. Up. And up. Up, up, down, Come on, mean it. Very good, up. Come in. Shoulders, 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 down. And down. Very good, one more time. And down. Ready to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to center. And lift. Down. And lift. And down. And lift. Down. Breathe. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe, breathe. Get it ready. Leg back, back, leg back, leg in, back, and in, side, up, down, and side, and up, down, one more time, down, up, down, and up. Gallop, down, gallop, down again. 2, 3, free it. One more. Gallop. Ooh. Last one. 3. Leg up. Down, up, down, side, side. And up. And down. Up, down, down, side, side. Again. And up. And down. Up, down, side, side. And up. And down. Up, down, side, side. Pose. Come on, get it going. 1. And change. And change. Up, down. Up, down, side, side, and up. Down, up, down. And up, down, up, and up. Very well done, guys. I know that was powerful and that was fantastic. Well done. Remember to go on Instagram, follow Lazy Dancer Tips and Moissanite for the giveaway. Tell me why you value yourself and remember to use the hashtag #DanceWithJules. Very well done. Thanks to Moissanite again for this spectacular workout series. Ciao, guys.